Hey YouTube, what is going on? And you're watching ExpertGuy here, and today I'm back in a special video for y'all. And basically a lot of you are gonna just say, oh man, ExpertGuy, are you dead? What were you doing? Why wasn't you uploading? Guys, if you have watched my previous video, I was saying my exams are going on and it's gonna finish on 3rd April. And now only 2 exams are remaining because it is 28 today, and just after some more days I'm gonna be finished with the exams, done with my exams, and then I will be uploading daily, like 2 or 1 videos daily. But right now you guys are thinking, why is he uploading? Because guys, I just thought why not to update you guys a little bit with this video as well, this tutorial, and just tell you guys that I am not freaking I haven't left YouTube. I'm doing this as well because some of you may have understood, like, because I wasn't uploading for a whole like a month. It is like kind of 2 months I am not uploading. So basically we are gonna discuss this in the end of the video, but firstly I'm gonna go and get straight into today's video, which is on how to use Sony Vegas Pro 15 advanced tutorial for effects as well as for text in 2018. This is gonna be working for both person who is a beginner on Sony Vegas Pro and who wants to learn things, and the person who is kind of good in Sony Vegas but does not know some effects what he can use. So we are gonna be doing some kind of stuff. So I'm gonna be taking some clips and stuff like that, and then we're gonna see what we can do with this tutorial. So basically, firstly I want you guys to go and smash that like button right now, because thank you so much, man. 3,000 subscribers, baby. We reached that milestone. Now our goal is gonna go bigger from that. We have a lot of goals to achieve, guys, and we're gonna do that. And it happened all because of you, man. Just thank you so much to every single one of you, and we are gonna basically just smash that like button. Let's try to reach 10 likes and join Team Expert if you haven't, and let's get straight into today's video, boys. So basically I'm gonna go and choose some clips which I have on my thingy, some clips, some old clips which we are gonna choose, and basically then we are gonna see what we can do with all these clips, because I have a lot of clips and I don't want freaking, just give me a second, let me choose a good one, because it is gonna be some kind of, because these are all my clips which I record. Okay, we are gonna just choose this clip really quick, and I will show you guys what happens, what you need to do, because this is firstly for beginners. Okay, we're gonna see what we can do now. Basically you just choose a clip whatever you have freaking recorded or anything. Now there are gonna be these kind of bars here. You guys can see some 2 bars here, which is firstly the audio. This one is the audio bar, which is your recording, the clip you recorded. It's the audio is here of that clip. Now if you are using Audacity or something like that to record your audio else thing, then you guys can just do this, insert another audio track, and then just put that freaking drag that right over here down, and just lower this voice, and it's gonna do something like that if you're using Audacity. This is for Audacity users. Now those who are not using Audacity, basically simple it is. Now this is a clip. Okay, you got the clip. Now you want to freaking render it and do stuff, add some effects on it, increase its quality, add some of the subscribe logos and like logos and stuff like that. Basically guys, first thing you need to do is, after you have this clip, okay, right over now, if you want to add some text, like for example if I want to add my name ExpertGuy on this video, so I'm just gonna click here and insert a video track. Okay, there you guys can see the upper one, it's a track, another track of the video. Now what you can do is, wherever at which point you want to choose is, you're gonna just drag this icon to that second of your video or minute of your video. Like for example if I want to add the text here, I'm gonna drag it here, right click it and insert text media, boom. Now basically it's gonna load a little bit because a lot of softwares are going in the background of my laptop, so that is why. Give it a second. So yep, there you go. So as you guys can see, it loaded the text. Now what you need to do is right click on it, and you guys can add generated media. There you go, boom. Okay, now see, you guys can write anything here. Like if I want to write ExpertGuy, there you go, boom. And if I want to choose a font, like for example if I want to choose any font here, I can choose this font as well. I can decrease the size as well. I can choose the color as well of the thingy. If I want to drag it on the top right corner, I will do like this. And you can add some of the person who is advanced and know some of Sony Vegas stuff as well. He can add, go on advanced, change the background of the color, add outline, add shadows as well. But I recommend just doing this, because if you are beginner, it's gonna get a little bit of complicated for you. So boom, just cancel it. And if you want to end do it for the whole video, you can drag it till the whole video like this. Or if you want to just do it like this, like at this part, it's gonna end, this logo is gonna finish. So after this, it's not gonna appear, as you guys can see now. Boom. Now basically, if you want to add some like PNGs and stuff like that, PNGs which you always see on my video and stuff like that, you guys can do that as well. Same it is, you just need to insert a video track like this, and go here and choose any of your PNG. Let's go on the Google and download some like PNGs, subscribe PNGs. Just drag them right over here, and boom, it's just set their position however, whenever you guys want to end them or finish them, and boom, it's gonna work for you all. Now this is the first step. Now second step, for the effects, a lot of people want to see blur their video and stuff like that, do some kind of those effects and some rainbow effects and stuff like that. There are a lot of effects here on Sony Vegas. You have variety of effects, but man, I'm gonna just tell you guys some common effects what you guys can use, because there are a lot and I can't explain in whole video. Like I'm gonna go with some blur effects and show you guys how you guys can add blur in your video, like how you can blur a part of your video or how you can blur a video. Now you're gonna click Alt+8, okay, and it's gonna open something like this, okay. These are all the effects right over here, you guys can see. You're gonna drag the if you want to blur your video, like a part of your video, if you want to blur a whole video, you're gonna click on this, choose medium blur, light blur, it's on you. If you want to extreme blur it, you guys can choose this. If you want light blur, you can choose this. Medium blur, if you want medium blur, choose this, like this. Drag it here on your video, and boom, just release it. There you go. Simple that it is, man, and whole of your video is blurred. Now if you want a part of your video to be blurred and other part of your video to be good, like okay, basically what you do is, then give me a second, we have to undo this effect again, and just give me a second. Oh sorry for this. I'm just gonna delete this clip really quick, and I'm just gonna insert another clip and show you guys. If you want to add a blur to one part of your video and then next part of your video to be whole video, then you guys can do that as well, because some you have seen my videos and some of them are like that. So I'm just gonna show you guys this. Same with that thing. See, now if I want only this part of the video to be blurred, like this one, I'm gonna go here, split the clip. There you go. Now this clip is separated from that one, okay. So basically you're gonna click on this one, and boom, medium blur to this clip only, and boom, there you go. Now we're gonna play the clip. I'm gonna just play the clip for you, and I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can blur this part, and the next part of your video is gonna be 100% not blurred. See, and boom, there you go. Again, it is fine. Back again. I'm gonna show you guys again this one. Boom, and there you go. Back again. Now you can add some cool text here, that it will make your video look even better, and add some really good text here, like your logo, subscribe button, and then just split that clip, and boom. Now one thing I really like about the videos is they give you an option even to fade in. You guys can do that as well if you want to make your video look even better. Like I added a little bit of fade. Now see that this, when it's loaded, it's gonna do like this. Boom, another kind of cool effect. You guys can do that. So there are a lot of things you guys can do. You guys can choose any of the colors here, like this. Boom, there are a lot of things, man, and I can't explain it in one video. But if you want me to do parts of Sony Vegas, then I will surely I can do it for you all. See, down, this is another effect which I added really quick. Basically these are some common effects which all beginners can use, professionals can use, and a lot of, even though myself, I use Sony Vegas Pro 15, and these kind of effects I use in my videos. Now last part of the video, which is rendering part. Basically there is an option on file, okay. You go there and then choose render as, okay. Boom, I'm just gonna show you guys an example to render your video on the highest quality as possible, okay. So we're gonna go on render as, and it's gonna load a little bit because my PC is slow kind of. See, my videos are always on 1080 60 fps, and you can even customize it. Okay, if you want your videos to go on 4K or plus 4K, it's gonna take a lot of like time as well, and your requirements of the PC, like it must be good enough, so you guys can do that as well. For example, I want to do this one, I can customize it as well. See, I'm just gonna show you guys some examples. See all this stuff here, don't get confused, no worries. Only thing you need to focus here on is frame rate. You guys can increase or decrease your frame rate. I always recommend putting this 59.94, which is 60 fps. Go down, nothing you need to see here. Go on audio section. Okay, audio section must be this one, must be 48,000 and 192,000. Okay, system, you guys just don't need to do anything to system. Go on projects. Okay, now this is important. If you want your video to be the best quality as possible, then you guys can choose this one to best. Okay, just click on OK, like, oh sorry for that, shit, there you go, boom, click on render, it's gonna start rendering. That's gonna be it, guys. Now basically those people, I'm gonna be back on 3rd or 4th of April, and I'm gonna be uploading daily videos for y'all. There's a lot of stuff been going on YouTube as well. I have to talk about you some stuff as well of YouTube, which was happening to me lately. Like it is so sad to see, man, that's happening to me. Now basically follow me on Twitter, Instagram if you want to get like know my daily stuff, but because I always stay active there on my Twitter and Instagram or Facebook. You guys can follow me there. Basically that's gonna be it, guys. I hope you guys like the video. Make sure you guys subscribe and join, become a part of Team Expert, and I see you all in my next video. For now, good bye.